Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna guide you on how can you cancel pending TikTok shop orders. Now, canceling a pending TikTok shop orders, what you need is open the TikTok and go to the profile. So once you go to the TikTok app, what you need is tap the profile from the bottom right corner of the screen. There, you wanna tap the menu bar from the top right corner of the screen. As soon as you do this, you will be able to see your TikTok shop. You just want to go ahead and select that. You could also use the seller's TikTok account. Here it is. There, what you want to do is after you've actually gone to the TikTok shop page, you then want to tap on orders to view your order history. Then you want to select the specific item you want to cancel. There, you just want to go ahead and tap the cancel button at the bottom right. Choose a reason for cancellation and confirm. And that is how you are supposed to cancel pending TikTok shop orders. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.